Hi guys, this video is about installing Ansible Tower on your AWS EC2. So I found a website here. So if you go here and then since I am on India, so I'll prefer this location. I can deploy it anywhere. So if you click on this link, it'll directly redirect you to your AWS if it is already open, or you'll go to an AWS place and try to log in. And Ansible Tower needs 4 GB of RAM, so you cannot use this tier 2 micro. You have to use tier 2 medium. So I'm going to show you how you're going to set it up, your tower. So I'll give it needs minimum of 10 GB of storage, but since 30 GB is free, so I'm using all the 30 GB. I'll just give a configuration, which have all inputs and outputs for the time being, because you're going to use obviously port 80 for this and 443 for this, and then I'll go to review, and then I'll check this Ansible Tower is a CentOS, and then you can do launch. So I have a key. I'll use the forum key. It's fine with me. So it's been launched. So it's good practice to write down the names if you have several servers. So I'll give it a test server for Ansible. And then it started running, so I'll take the IP again. I'll go to my putty. So here's my putty. I'll put my IP address. Go to SSH keys. I'll go to auth, and then I'll check the SSH key. The forum. I hope so. It is the one. I'll just open it up. I'll say yes. So you can do lots of ways of doing this. Like you can press root. It will not be it's a CentOS, so it will log in as root, but it will say please log in as the user CentOS rather than the user root. So it will take some time. It will go up down like this. So again, we have to take this one, paste this one. So I'll take IP here from here, and then paste it, and then I'll go to auth again. I'll browse the key. And and then I'll open it again, and then press CentOS. So yeah, the first thing you need to do is sudo yum update So it will basically check all the dependencies and all which I need to install. So it will take some time. So I'll pause the video for now. Oh yeah, it's installed, I guess. It will take some time. So my update has been finished. So I'll do one thing: sudo switch user. In order to check this Ansible is working or not, I just need to go to this IP. It will take me to its desktop. Dashboard. Sorry. I'll wait. My internet is a little slow. Yeah, it has come in. So your username will be admin and your password will be password. So here you will get request license. So if you put request license, then again you have to enter all your details here: username, password, your company, what designation, country, regions, and everything. Then your SSH license key, so you can browse the file and get the key, and you have to take all this. So that's it for today. I hope you like it. And moreover, I have a website named AWS.in.net for blogs and stuff like this. Thank you.